Hi, Mom. This short interactive video helps your child learn the letters P to T through play, repetition, and participation. Just press play and let's learn together. Are you ready to play? Let's find the letter P. Can you find the letter P? Look carefully. Take your time. Point to it. Yay! There it is. That's the letter P. Great job. Say P. Say pizza. Say panda. Say penguin. Amazing! Hey, friends! Can you find the letter Q? Look carefully. I see a queen, a quilt, and a quail. But where is Q? Can you spot it? There it is. That's the letter Q. Say it with me. Q, 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 Q. Q is for queen. Hey, kids! Can you find the letter R? Look very carefully. There are so many things here. I see a rainbow, a robot, a race car, and a rabbit. But where is the letter R? Did you find it? Are you sure? There it is. That's the letter R. Great job. Say it with me. You did amazing. See you in the next letter adventure. Bye-bye. Can you find the letter S? Look carefully. Take your time. Point to it. There it is. That's the letter S. Say snake. Say sun. Say star. Mom, this quick game helps your child spot the letter T and say its sound confidently. Hey, Superstar, can you find the letter T? Look carefully. Is it on the tiger? On the train? On the tree? Keep looking. There it is. That's the letter T. Say T. Say tiger. Say train. Awesome job. See you in the next letter game.